There's no better way to spend a hot afternoon in Central Oregon than by taking a nice relaxing float on the Deschutes River.
Trust us, it's the place to be in Bend, Oregon.
We recommend parking at Drake Park and catching the river shuttle upriver to Riverbend Park.
You can rent something to float on, or bring your own.
The scenery is beautiful as you float through the Old Mill District of Bend.
The water's refreshing.
Just people watching is fun.
It's about a 2-hour float.
With a short portage around the Colorado Dam.
But you put back in at McKay Park.
It's a kid-friendly activity that's fun for the whole family.
So if you're looking for things to do in Bend, Oregon,
grab a tube and hit one of the best rafting rivers in Oregon.
And it's free.
There's definitely